guys, how you all doing? In this video I have a short and amazing trick for you on how you can fix your network problem on your Android phone. Alright, let's say for example, like you are using internet but you are experiencing a slow network. You can simply reset the network. Alright, on how to do it, it's super easy. But first, before you do that, there is something that you need to understand. Right, you need to understand the APN of your network. I meant the access point name of the network. For example, like in Guinea-Bissau here, the APN of, let me say, 𝗲𝐬𝐬𝐬, okay, they have a network brand called 𝗲𝐬𝐬𝐬, all right. It's internet OGB. For example, every country has its own APN, like for example, so you need to check on that, because once you reset your network settings, guys, all the configuration of that network we're gonna wipe off. All right, so before we waste any time, let's jump straight away into our video. Okay, first let me go to settings, guys, and show you my configuration. Okay, let's say, guys, I'm experiencing presently a network problem, but first let me show you, before you do this, guys, what you need to know first is this, guys. Let me show you something. Mobile data, the configuration of this one. Okay, access point name, this. So as you see, this is my APN. All right, what you need to know, you need to know the APN first, guys, before you do this. All right, because once you reset the settings, guys, all this will gonna wiped off. All right, this is what they call the APN. This is the configuration of the phone. This is what you need to know first before you do this. All right, so now, guys, let's go to our settings here, then scroll down and tap on system and update. All right, so when you tap on system and update, some phones you will see something like systems. All right, then you tap on this reset option, guys. That is it, guys. You need to be careful here when this interface open like this. As you see here, guys, 3 options. All right, reset all settings, reset network settings, reset phone. Okay, you need let me just try to open this one, guys. Okay, reset all network settings, guys, is quite different with reset network settings, as you see, guys. All right, so be careful here. To reset phone, guys, this is very I know a lot of people make these mistakes, guys. For example, to reset your network settings is quite different like if you are resetting your phone. All right, guys, when you reset your phone, guys, you're gonna lose everything that is in your phone. Okay, but for this video, guys, we are trying to fix the network problem, so we only need to tap on reset network settings, guys. So like we are trying to reset this MTN because my data system is MTN. All right, so I just need to tap on reset network settings, guys, and enter my PIN code or my password code. All right, guys, so as you see, guys, so my aim is to reset this data and this MTN, okay, because my data system is MTN, so I want to reset the settings of MTN. All right, so reset, I need to tap on reset network settings down below. All right, guys, so I am asked to enter my lock screen password. Okay, so that is it, guys. As you see, this will reset all network settings and cannot be undone. All right, guys, so I just need to tap on reset network settings down below. Okay, as you see, guys, network settings have been reset. Now what you need to do, we have lose all our configurations. You need to go back. All right, since we have lose all our configurations, guys, you need to tap on mobile network. All right, you go to mobile data, guys, then you scroll down to your APN. Okay, as you see, guys, I'm using SIM2, access point name SIM2, not SIM1. Okay, my data system is I'm using the MTN, which is SIM2. All right, I need to tap on access point name, guys, like this, and tap on the top 3 dot, guys, like this, and enter my new APN. All right, so I need to configure the phone again. That is it, MTN Bissau, like this. All right, the APN of the network is something like this: internet dash m10 .bsal.com. But remember guys, like every network, every country's network has its own APN. So this is what you need to understand. This is the APN of M10 in this country. For example, like M10 in Nigeria has its own APN. All right, so you need to know the APN of that network in your country. So that is it. Yeah, authentication type none. Yeah, APN type default. Supply. That is it guys. I just need to check on this one guys. Yeah, bingo guys, I have reset my network settings now. All right, now if I'm using the internet guys, so I will browse freely without experiencing any slow network. All right, so yeah, that is all about the tutorial guys, and it's so simple guys. All right, so if you have any problem or you are experiencing any problem guys, just let me know. All right, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to reply you. But before closing this video guys, if this is your first time guys to check on my channel, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video you'll be notified about it. Peace.